Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add shadows to product images on Shopify product pages. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click the online store button on the left. Just click it. This opens our themes page. Let's go to our theme. Click the three-dot button. A new menu appears. Click Edit Code. This opens our theme's file page. In the filter field, search for base.css. A file named base.css will appear. Click it to open our store's appearance script. All our store's styling code is here. We'll scroll this script to the very bottom, so just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, we'll hit enter to add a new line. Now, let's access the host2b.net website. The link is in the description with the script code we'll use. Just click the button above to copy the code. So let's click it. The code will be copied. Back in Shopify, we'll paste our code in the blank line. After pasting, click the Save button on the top. After clicking, changes are saved successfully. Now any product will show the shadow effect on both item and thumbnail. I hope this video helped. Bye!